Today I'll be showing you how to make a quiz in Moodle. Already I've set up my course and changed my topic to lesson 1. But in order to add an activity, you click to the right, activity in the section for the lesson that you're trying to change. So after we click this, we go to quiz, go to the bottom of the page, then we add. And right here, we name the quiz for the lesson, which I'll name it quiz 1. And if we need a description, we'll put it right here. Also, whenever making a quiz, you can time it by enabling when the quiz will open and close and how long it'll take. So say we'll just make the timing to open the quiz on the 8th and close it on the 9th. You can also set the time limit, put it at 30 minutes. Then as for next, you can determine a grade by saying it or by changing the grade to pass, and also the attempts allowed to either be an unlimited or 1 to 10. Also choosing how the grading method is if you are choosing to use the attempts allowed. And there's other stuff as well. But once you're finished with this, you click save and display, and then you can edit your quiz. Once you're ready to edit your quiz, you can change how many points each question it will be. By determining how much the grade will be overall. You click add to the right, you add a new question. You can decide what you want as far as the answer choices. I'll do multiple choice. I add. You name the question, which I'll just call this question 1. You add the text for the question, which I'll just simply put what is 2 plus 2. Once you're done with that, you determine what kind of mark it is as far as points go, which I'm going to just leave mine at 1. Then you can put the choices of the answers right here. Choice 1, given an answer. Choice 2, you give an answer. And I'll do up to 4. If you want to add feedback to any of the wrong questions, you put it right underneath the question that you answered. But in order for the grade to display, you have to find the right answer and click grade and give it a percentage of how much the grade would be once it's correct, which would be 100%. And if the others are wrong, you just leave it as none. And you save the changes. Once you're done with that, you save it again. And now you actually can go back to your lesson and click quiz 1. And once the course opens up, it will show right here.